What is up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. And today is a Saturday, which means it's exploration time. Also, you might have guessed from the sequence which you saw at the start of this video, we have a new member to the camera family, camera bag family if you may. And here it is. Here he is. Let's look for some place nice to test out this camera and to get some amazing footage. Right now I also don't know where we are going. As soon as I know where I am going, I will tell you guys. So till then, let's just travel. What is up, guys? So we have finally decided on a place. We are going to a place called Chidiya Bhadak. It's a waterfall, water body kind of thing. It is 55 kilometers from Indore. So we are 1 kilometer away from the waterfall or the water body, and we had to stop. And we have to cover the rest of the way on foot because of this. As you can see, this is red mud which is just sticking into the tire, and look at what has happened to the car. It's all red mud over the windscreen and everything. So yeah, this path now we'll be covering on foot. Now I'm walking towards the waterfall, and it looks like a very remote path which is very less taken. And one tip which I would like to give you about this place is try avoiding coming here alone, because after a certain point your vehicle won't go if you are in a four-wheeler. Two-wheeler is also a little risky, so try bringing someone with you whenever you are coming, because it's a little dangerous. But as you can see, the path on which we are walking, which is leading to the waterfall, is so pretty. So just imagine what the final result would be. I am really excited to reach there so that I can get some good shots, test my GoPro and get some good drone shots, because drone is compulsory. See you there now. The path which we are following led here, which is kind of a dead end. As you can see, there is the river, but we can't climb down from there as it's very steep. So there was a Baba whom we met who has told us a different route. So yeah, let's just go there. But just look at this place, how beautiful this is. We are right in the middle of a forest. It's very scary, but at the same time it's so beautiful that it's all worth it. And that's where we are heading. Oh, you can't see my hand. That's where we are heading. And this is the path. Very steep. I almost fell 2 times. So we got a little help from a local person who left us here. भैया नाम तो बता दो अपना, कैमरा में क्या है? रामेश्वर. Thank you रामेश्वर भैया यहाँ तक लाने के लिए. So we are finally here, and it was all worth that extra effort and that bad route. You will know in a bit why. So it's a pretty nice place. I am sure I will get some good shots here. So wait till you see it. You will definitely love it. And one more thing, places like these are a perfect getaway from that clutter of the city which we face every day. Places like these are actually the getaways we are looking for in our everyday life. They are tough to reach, but once you reach there, it's all worth it. It's all worth the pain, it's all worth the effort you have put in, and you will know why. So whenever you get time, just go to places like these, explore. And the main motive, if your main motive is photography, places like these will yield amazing shots which you will see in this video. So yeah, go out and explore. I talk a lot. I think I should talk less and show you the space a little more. So let's do this. So I guess it's time to end the vlog now. It's a good place to end it. As you can see, the waterfall you saw in the sequence is right down there. And coming to GoPro, it performed pretty well. The stabilization was on point, and the different perspective and the different type of footage you get because of it being an action cam and being waterproof and all that gives you an edge over other people when you showcase your video or when you present your videos. So yeah, it's a good buy. It's not a waste. If you can, you should invest in it. Not sponsored, but yeah, it's a good thing to have in your arsenal when you are going shooting. Just gives you an extra advantage, an extra camera, an extra perspective of things that are happening. So I guess that's it. Tell me how you like the place, because I loved it. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback in the comments below. Also, as I said in the last video too, please subscribe, it helps me grow. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye. Just kidding, won't do that. Bye bye.